Everyone, it's Karen here from Be Green Bath & Body, and I'm here to talk to you today about our Herbal Miracle Balm. Our Herbal Miracle Balm is a balm that is great for moisturizing any dry skin area, especially cracked feet or hands. It's great for the elbows. A lot of people like to use it on their cuticles as well. So what's in the Miracle Balm? Well, we start with organic olive oil that we infuse in-house with organic chamomile flowers. It also has organic fair trade shea butter and organic jojoba oil. We also include beeswax in here to harden it, and for our herbal scents we have lavender essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and lime essential oil, all of which are also organic. So what does it look like and what does it smell like? So let's take a look. It's a smooth balm. It's a little bit yellow in tint. I think you'd notice the lime smell the most, maybe a tinge of lavender, but mainly lime. So I have a small one here just so I can show you how to use it. So how much do you use? Well, use just a really small amount. You don't need much at all. I like to use just maybe a pea-sized amount like so. The less you use, the better. You don't need much. If you put too much on, it might feel a little greasy. If you just use the small amount like this, it'll absorb more quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit on my elbow. There's plenty to do that. I have extra for all my cuticles, which is fabulous. Definitely, a lot of people use it on their feet because of the lime smell. It just leaves the feet feeling really fresh. So I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to me. Support at begreenbathandbody.com. Thank you.